Hello, teacher. In this opportunity, about my, I will tell. Good night, teacher. In this opportunity, it's about explaining my conclusions of the tech, autopilot, and pilot static. Good night, teacher. In this opportunity, I will tell about my conclusions with the attach, autopilot, and pilot static. Well, the tech is very important because to know the battery charging circuit, all will either the components that make up uh, either cables, alternator, other points, others. In order to be able to identify various faults that safe circuit may have, it is very important to know that the resistance for a certain circuit, for example, in file number 4, is very important resistance according to the system and the voltage which it is working, in this case for the recharge of the battery. It is the appropriate one of doing so can damage battery components over voltage. That is why it's very important to know basic laws such as the Ohm law, the better understand the cause of the problem and provide a better solutions than the most fossil one. Well, the automatic pilots is a great importance because if I gives many facilities to the pilots for the aircraft to have automatic control in the flight. Well, in the pilot automatic, the sensor is very important because the sensor obtain value all the times, and the sensor system is responsible for the collections, those analog bulbs, and combining the inter electrical signals. And once a signal is converted, the aircraft computer verificate and the date really inserted in the systems. In case it does not corroborate site information is correct, but that is already done by the autopilot. The autopilot is commonly used in commercial flights, in the climb phase, above cruise, in descent and approach, and also in landing. For example, maintain the programmed altitudes, ascents or descents, program the speeds, accelerate or reduce a new program speed, follow a programmed course, and change ascent or descents. Finally, the aircraft is equipped with sensor of various types. The weights can are gyroscopes, either in their mechanical versions or their electronic versions, ring laser. This sensor detects the aircraft movements in the three fundamental X, pitch, rolls, and yaw. The signal sent to FCC, flight control computer, and finally the signal is displayed on the instrument or the display. Well, in the pilot static, in a low performance aircraft and dynamic pressure is only used for the airspeed indicator, while static pressure is used for the altimeter and vertical speed indicator, because it's very important. For example, I use the points at 10 kilopascal that give a mark in the altimeter of the uh, finally, it is recommended that is not leaked to ensure the efficiency of the components in the flake because may affect marking of the instruments. Thank you.